10th के बाद आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग बायोलॉजी, मैंने बी ग्रुप ले लिया। तो 2 साल तो चलो अच्छे लगते हैं, और उसके बाद जो 12 साल है, तो वो 12 साल का ग्राइंड आपको एक्सेप्ट कर लेना चाहिए वो 2 साल में, यस और
No. You always get that hint that this person is hardworking. He wants to do much more. Capabilities sharp है.
माई फादर सेज द सेम थिंग दैट ध्रुवेश, मैं अगर तेरे ऊपर 1.5 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट करता हूँ, उसके बदले मैं उसको म्यूचुअल फंड में डाल देता हूँ, तो कुछ नहीं करेगा तो भी अच्छी सैलरी तेरी पैसिव चली होगी, राइट?
माइंडसेट ऑफ द इंडियन पीपल कि डॉक्टर है ना तो सेवा करेगा। सी डेफिनेटली वी वांट टू डू सेवा, दैट इज आवर पर्सनल, बट आल्सो वी हैव अ फैमिली, वी हैव अ होम टू रन।
ध्रुवेश don't worry. मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ है. सिर्फ इतना फीवर है. ट्रस्ट में तुझे हो जाएगा. How will you feel?
तो इन अ वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो अब जाके डॉक्टर का गला पकड़ सकते हो, रोबोट का गला कैसे?
वो मर गया है तो भी आप उनको कैसे इन्फॉर्म करो दैट ही इज डेड, एंड एट दैट सिनेरियो हाउ कैन यू हैंडल द पेशेंट?
Onto the part कि मुझे क्या नहीं पता था. That I needed to be strong enough to pursue this journey. I needed to be patient enough.
फर्स्ट टाइम फिलिंग अ फॉर्म फॉर नीट, दैट मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था दैट भाई मेडिकल में ये भी करना पड़ता है। जैसे 36 आवर्स की शिफ्ट होती है। हाँ,
Doing just MBBS is useless or not. It's just about how much you are driven to do something, right? It's just the competitiveness that's increasing. That's why we do specialization.
hello and welcome to Beyond the Noise, Shlok and Kenisha. So today we are having a very honest and a unfiltered conversation about what medical is in 2026. And अगर आपका बच्चा भी 10th के बाद बी ग्रुप चूज कर रहा है, तो इज इट स्टिल परफेक्ट दैट वो बी ग्रुप में जाए अगर उसका एकेडमिक फोकस उतना अच्छा नहीं है तो? सो टुडे वी आर हैविंग टू doctors who have been doing MBBS and now they are doing their PG, right?
Yes.
So once again, welcome Shlok and welcome Kenisha on the show. And today I want a very raw conversation from your end, जो असलियत में बाहर हमको लाना है। और बहुत सारा myths and confusions ये इंडस्ट्री में है जो किसी को भी पता नहीं है. So I want to uncover it all. So first of all, Shlok, you give your introduction to the viewers that what you have been doing currently.
I am Dr. Shlok Shah, an intern at GMAS Medical College, Sola, Ahmedabad.
And Kenisha?
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kenisha Shah and I'm a freshly MBBS grad and currently pursuing my PG from Gandhinagar Civil in obstetrics and gynecology.
My first question to both of you is that the 2-year NEET journey, which you start after completing your 10th board. So how does it feel when you just start? It's a fresh start. When you feel that अभी मैं biology जो मैंने outskirts पे पढ़ा था वो थोड़े deep में I mean, I'll go more overly deep into that. So how was that feeling?
As soon as you complete your boards, it's we have a feeling हमारे वहाँ की boards is a major milestone. तो वो खत्म करने के बाद what commonly happens कि we are relieved कि stress गया, now we don't have to do anything. But this is the point in your life which will decide the next 50 years of your life.
Correct.
कि if you take engineering, if you take medicine, if you take commerce, arts, humanities, whatever, this would decide your career trajectory in the next 50 years of life. So it is very important what you choose, what you love to do, and that is the reason कि sometimes people को लगता है कि there is very much pressure on them कि should I choose medicine,
The
engineering.
good concept during our time was very simple. पढ़ाई में अच्छे हो गए, फर्स्ट आ रहे हो like 10th standard तक और बोर्ड्स में अच्छे आ गए तो like you could take biology. That's what हमारे टाइम पे था. Like nowadays people are given priority कि हाँ तुमको जो पसंद है वो ले लो, and which is very good that they get to choose what they want to do. But genuinely in my case it happened.
But I feel that if I am completing my 10th, I'm getting an average percentage of around 75% in my boards. And I'm good at maths also, and I'm good at biology also. So being a parent, I'm on the side of parents' perspective, जिसमें उनका बच्चा क्या ले. So how do you identify that whether I should start a vertical or start my whole career journey with the B group and I'll be a doctor. वो capability आपको 10th में कैसे पता चलती है?
ओके, तो वो आपको पहले से ही पता चलती है इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि सी ऑन पेपर नहीं आ रहे, आई एग्री टू दैट पॉइंट, बट यू ऑलवेज गेट दैट हिंट दैट दिस पर्सन इज हार्ड वर्किंग, दिस पर्सन इज यू नो ही वांट्स टू डू मच मोर, कैपेबिलिटीज शार्प है। लाइक 10 तक यार कौन सीरियस होता है लाइफ के लिए? सीरियस नो वन इज देयर, right? I have seen many people who score 60% in boards and currently they are excelling in medicine. So I won't say कि हाँ 90 plus आ रहा है तो ही लो, but yeah, if you genuinely think that your student, like your child is hardworking, उसमें you identify कि नहीं, he is sharp, he do things differently and he could definitely take the pressure that the society holds on them,
Okay.
you should take biology.
What's your thought?
I think yes, same thing. It depends on the person. Sometimes your gut knows what you want. So be it biology, be it maths. So if you are good at both, you can. We in India we have a very good thing of known as the group C, which is both maths and biology, which gives you 2 more years to decide that if you want to do only maths or only bio. किसी ने कहा था कि लिखा है आप कुछ भी करो, अगर आपने मैथ्स भी लिया कुछ भी करके यू विल एंड अप इन बायो इफ यू आर डीम्ड टू बी अ डॉक्टर.
हाँ, डोंट डू दैट कि नहीं अब ले लिया है तो कर ही दो। इफ यू
हाँ.
एवर फील कि स्विच करना है तो देयर इज ऑलवेज एन ऑप्शन ईदर वे।
But I feel that when we start a payment that मैंने 10th के बाद I started learning biology, मैंने B group ले लिया, तो 2 साल तो चलो अच्छे लगते हैं और अच्छे भी नहीं लगते, मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती है, बट उसके बाद जो 12 साल है, the 12 years which you are gonna sacrifice for learning medical is one of the most toughest journey anyone could ever faces, right? तो वो 12 साल का ग्राइंड आपको एक्सेप्ट कर लेना चाहिए वो 2 साल में, येस और नो? बिकॉज आपको तब आइडिया नहीं दैट वो 36 आवर्स का शिफ्ट कैसा होगा। सबको लगता है दैट इट्स वेरी ईजी दैट वो मैं कर दूंगा, बट शुड अ स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो एक्सेप्ट इट दैट मेरे को 36 आवर्स का ग्राइंड भी करना है और 12 साल पढ़ना भी है, फिर मैं एक केपेबल डॉक्टर बन पाऊंगा। सो वो सब उनको माइंड में रखना चाहिए या नहीं?
द एंटिसिपेशन इज गुड कि यू वुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द वर्स्ट। ओके, तो ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है कि एट द एज ऑफ 16 यू आर एबल टू डिसाइड कि ओके मुझे अब 12 साल की ग्राइंड करनी है। इट्स नॉट अ वन वे, इट्स लाइक अ हाईवे विद मल्टीपल एग्जिट्स। You do MBBS, you could take an exit and do MBA, you could do law, you could go with many different branches if you ever want to do. Like, it's about how you want to shape your future. Like, there are people who want to pursue traditionally masters into particular specialties. That's good. If you want work-life balance, there are few specialties for you. And if you are very passionate enough towards something, you pursue that. Now, if you think that, no, I'm not here to pursue something difficult and I want to go into business like thing, you can do MBA, you could do with hospital administration, which is also booming. There are many undiscovered branches that you could actually do after MBBS, and I guess people should notice that part. It's not the traditional way around.
So what's the conversion ratio? I mean,
So there is nothing like a conversion ratio.
I mean, if 100 लोग जा रहे हैं, they're doing MBBS, so what's the 1 करोड़ पे ही जा रहे हैं, they are also switching to MBA, they are switching to hospital management.
So many.
So many.
So what's the
Yes.
percentage if we compare?
Honestly,
There is no true
see, people
percentage.
go through multiple things one at a time.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll say in terms of, let's say, pursuing different entrance exams, in terms of whether they are giving NEET or USMLE or CLAP, there are so many people who are doing 2 things at a time, and even after doing that they do MBA. I have known a doctor who has completed his MD emergency medicine. After that he has done MBA, he has done LLB, he has done LLM, and currently he is also a professor and an invigilator for those exams where you need to take orals for the foreign examinations.
So
Like,
multiple
sky is
things.
the limit.
In fact,
What
I know a doctor who did his MBBS and today he is running a jewelry shop. He's a jeweler. So I know one guy who is doing medico legal. He completed MBBS, now he's into LLB. So in fact, medico legal is and I should not say booming, but it's an upcoming branch as a career perspective. Because again, the number of medical legal cases are
So what's
gradually
medical
increasing.
legal?
Medical legal as in where you
Medicine.
say like negligence cases, medical negligence cases of
There are two parts to it,
yeah.
either in favor of patient or in favor of doctor. Like, let's say medical legal depends. If I'm hiring a lawyer, so I'm hiring for me, I'm not hiring for the patient. So if he's a doctor, he would understand why I have done this part. Like, there are many things that only I know why I did it, and the perspective towards the other side is different.
So if I want to investigate a case that ये patient मैंने, I mean it was not my negligence. If a doctor says that, so at that point the medico legal comes into the play. So it's the lawyer for the doctors or for the patients also. So abhi, all right, yeah, multiple cases are there currently which I've also seen, right, that hospital failure है या electricity के वजह से कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं आ रही है बाहर, एंड आई डू नॉट वांट टू नेम दैट थिंग्स, बट बहुत सारी वैसी चीज़ हो रही है. सो वो भी एक अलग करियर ऑप्शन बन सकता है. दैट्स द वे यू थिंक, राइट?
Definitely.
Yes.
And that's more interesting, you are not around that gloomy area, you are doing something new.
डिफरेंट,
Yeah.
एंड इट चेंजेस एवरी टाइम, आई फील.
हाँ.
Yes.
सो मेरा दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये है दैट अभी मैंने मेरी नीट दे दी, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग अ गुड, मेरे को अच्छा रैंक नहीं आया, and at this point I'm getting two different phases. Either I should go for pharmacy or I should go for a private college. And secondly, you both are from government colleges, right? So वहाँ पे fees उतनी नहीं होती. So what's the thing? I mean, if I go with the private college, what's the minimum capex a parent should need? और वो investment कैसे होता है? What's the whole process? You explain me that.
Okay, so how do you see? There are three types of seats in our colleges: GQ, MQ, and NRI quota. GQ is government quota, which you said, like in government colleges, and even in private colleges, there is a government quota, which is the least fees in that quota, and maximum number of seats. Like out of 200, there would be 150 to 170 seats of GQ. Then there is management quota, which is the most infamous mehenga wala quota, that is management. And third is NRI quota. It is only applicable to a special niche subset of people who are NRIs. So GQ, if I talk about Gujarat, maximum this fees goes to about 10 lakhs in MBBS, not
Per
more than that, per year.
annum.
Per year,
Per
yes.
year. In a
Private college,
private college.
deemed university or a private college, if
10
you
lakh rupees a
year
Annum.
year.
per annum.
Per
Yeah.
annum.
So about that's all 50-55 lakhs for the degree.
Degree.
Then there's the management quota, which is the most expensive,
Where
which
there
can
is
go.
no cap. So
Haan.
that's what we all think in the fraternity.
So for the GQ, it's 55 lakhs for
For the
For-
entire degree.
the entire degree.
Yeah,
And
maximum
what's
approx.
for the management? You give me
No
a figure.
cap. You could go wherever you want to
So
go.
does the college depend that college को कितना लेना है पैसा?
हाँ.
Management is like that. Again, there are certain shady practices in place. So it loopholes here. I don't know exactly what it is, but there are. I have seen people paying 1.5 crores
Shows.
for their MBBS seat only.
So let's take an example. If a family spends around 1.5 crore on a student in a management quota in a college, so is it a debt trap or an investment which a parent is doing on their children? What do you think?
Okay, so here comes the view that whether you are consciously choosing that part or you are just taking it as a risk taker कि चलो करते हैं, क्या होगा, we don't know. So if you're consciously taking, then you are definitely, like, I'm not telling within a flick of a moment, but yeah, after a few years it's definitely going to take you back. Why? Because A, you are conscious that you are paying this much amount. B, that it generates the amount of awareness in you. It generates that, धगेश आ जाती है कि यार अगर मेरे पापा ने मेरे लिए 30 लाख खर्चे हैं तो मुझे कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा ना. आई नीड टू बी द बेस्ट टू अर्न इट बैक, राइट? So it's not a debt trap if I'm a conscious seat taker. But if you want to just risk it all, then it's definitely a bit
Again, it
risky to
depends
take.
on your family's financial situation.
You could take a drop if you want to.
Definitely,
It's very
it's
common.
nothing to be ashamed of to take a drop. And many people do. I guess almost 10 to
Many of our
20%
friends
are
are, yeah, and
repeaters.
they
Yeah.
are doing excellent. You know,
So after taking drop, they are doing. They are getting good colleges.
yeah, they are getting good
Definitely.
college. Like one of my friend, like many of my friends, they took drop because in their first attempt they could not crack it in a good way. So they took a drop and they were very like हो जाता है ना कि यार नहीं कर पाए क्या करे, and पूरा हौसला छुटा के देखे नहीं ड्रॉप लेते, and they are sitting with us in my college. So it's possible to crack a good college even after taking a drop, but the only condition is that you are actually worried about it, you are not say capable, but करना है ऐसा होना चाहिए, yeah, the
You have the
perspective,
drive for medicine.
yeah.
Okay.
Then you should.
So if I compare a simple math or simple finance over it, that आज मैंने 1.5 CR का इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है, तो मेरे को एक टोटल फ्लो समझाओ दैट 12th के बाद मैं एक गवर्नमेंट या प्राइवेट कॉलेज में जा रहा हूँ. सो व्हाट्स द फ्लो? अगर मेरे को डॉक्टर बनना है तो कहाँ, कैसे, और व्हाट्स द डिग्री ऑल्सो दैट मैं MBBS कर रहा हूँ, उसके बाद क्या आएगा? सो एक्सप्लेन मी अ होल फ्लो.
Okay, first of all, there is a very common conception in our mindset of the Indian people कि डॉक्टर है ना तो सेवा करेगा. See, definitely we want to do seva. That is our personal, but also we have a family, we have a home to run. We have
It's
to,
just a point
yeah,
कि a lawyer is never expected to provide free
pro
his
bono cases.
कि फ्री कंसल्टेशन दे दे टू द पुअर पब्लिक. कि नहीं, लॉयर है उसकी तो फीस होती ही है. इवन दे मेकअप रिजर्वेशन कि हाँ इतने लेके जाते हैं तो उनको दे देंगे, फिर कि you are paying to someone for what they are able to earn. For let's say a manufacturer, I'm going to pay for what he manufactures, right? We are the mind users. You are paying us for our knowledge because we are destructing our minds, our schedules, our sleep cycle, our health to make other people healthy. We are paying it for our knowledge. So like one fine day, जैसे आप मेरे सामने बैठे हो और आप बोल रहे हो कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, ये मेडिसिन ले लूँ. नाउ टू अ लेमैन वो बोल देगा कि हाँ सुना होता है ना कि हाँ XYZ मेडिसिन XYZ के लिए ले लेते हैं, बट टू अ डॉक्टर आई थिंक कि राइट अपर क्वाड्रेंट पेन है, हाइपोकॉन्ड्रियाक पेन है, लंबर पेन है, बिकॉज देयर आर contraindications to use medicine in certain diseases. So the entire knowledge comes into the
In
crime.
fact, some medicines, certain genetic predisposed people cannot take. So, like if you, for example, if you ask me, can I take penicillin? But I know your history that you are allergic to penicillin. You cannot take penicillin. But that is because I know, I have studied. It is my knowledge which I am using के आपको penicillin ना दूं मैं. I'll give you something else, some other antibiotic. So this is so like our mind is our currency, our brain is our currency, like is our product, as you can say.
So we make a base cap कि हाँ ठीक है इतना लेना है. Okay, there is a cap to what we earn, not a cap to what we are paying. Okay, तो ठीक है, तो like 1.5 crore मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया कि लेट्स सी मेरी MBBS खत्म हुई विद इन 15 lakhs एंड आई एम नॉट डूइंग गुड इन PG, तो मेरे पापा ने मुझे एक अच्छी से ऐसी सीट दिला दी. तो
PG में 2 साल होता है,
3
3 साल, और MBBS में 4 साल.
5
हाँ,
5.5
5.5
5.5
years for graduation.
Okay, and after 5.5 you become an MBBS
Graduate.
without specialization.
Yes.
And for specialization you need to
Do other 3
yeah,
years.
MD or
For
MS.
that also you need to give NEET
NEET
PG.
PG,
Yes.
right? Okay.
So once you are cracking NEET UG, you get admission into MBBS. MBBS costs you 5.5 years. In 5.5 years, you are studying for 4.5 years. You are giving your exams, medical exams, and for last 1 year, you are doing an internship. So in internship, you are exposed to entire hospital data, wards, and the basic procedures like the suturing. In internship, you get stipend and you pay for your for your medical exams and all. So ठीक है, तो कुछ आपको geographical variations होते हैं in terms of stipend. In Gujarat, it's a good amount that you get. कि 22,000 per month मिलता है. Now, After that, we also have a bond duty that we sign. In government colleges, you sign a bond duty. If you do from private colleges, you are not supposed to sign a bond duty. Now, after that, you are supposed to give NEET PG to get entrance into residency for your post graduation. For that, there is no cap in private colleges. The
Okay.
government colleges have a cap कि बस इतनी fees होगी आप, उसके बाद नहीं. So I guess there should be a body who should keep a cap क्योंकि see, I have not seen any courses who costs you so much.
And we are not getting a validation after that if I'm investing 1.5 CR when I will get a return. मैं तो उतना सिंपल मैथ लगाता हूँ. My father says the same thing that ध्रुवेश, मैं अगर तेरे ऊपर 1.5 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट करता हूँ, उसके बदले मैं उसको म्यूचुअल फंड में डाल देता हूँ, तो कुछ नहीं करेगा तो भी अच्छी सैलरी तेरी पैसिव चली होगी, राइट? सो दैट्स द मेन थिंग. वो डेब्ट ट्रैप लगनी चाहिए या नहीं लगनी चाहिए, वो भी वही डिपेंड करता है दैट what is the consciousness and the drive for the kid or for the
Not
for the individual
necessarily
who's
for
gonna
the
do
kid.
it.
See, no drive justifies paying 1.5 crore for a
Yeah.
graduate degree. So it's more than, are you financially well off? If you are 1.5 crore is nothing like chana mamra hai, तो
Correct.
फिर it's okay, obviously you can pay. But if not, then you should definitely take a drop. There's nothing to be ashamed of. Try again. If you still fail, then there are so many career opportunities, especially since the advent of internet. There are things like you can do podcasting, you can do marketing, digitally everything, which you
Okay.
are very good at. I know, I have seen your work.
Career
Similarly,
journey also.
yeah. So definitely you can, in fact, you can even give 12th board again and go to engineering if you like that. Do ads, do
Don't be ashamed
so,
to switch it.
yeah.
That's
The-
Don't be adamant to कि नहीं ये लिया है तो
ये करना पड़ेगा.
headache
It's a
trap
stigma,
है,
but
but yeah.
हाँ.
तो एक मैं भी एक सिचुएशन क्रिएट करता हूँ, अ वेरी सिंपल एंड अ स्ट्रेटेजिक सिचुएशन जो आप सबने फेस की होगी. दैट यू सी अ 21-year-old coder, like for example you see me as an engineer who's earning 1 lakh rupees a month, and I'm 21 and I've completed my 4 years bachelor degree from a good college. For example IIT से मैंने वो कंप्लीट कर दी है और मैं महीने के लाख रुपए बना रहा हूँ अभी. एंड आप तो फिफ्थ ईयर में ही हो. आप जब 5.5 साल का कोर्स या डिग्री खत्म कर देते हो, उसके बाद भी आपको पीजी की तैयारी करनी पड़ती है, तो स्टिल यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, एनर्जी, एवरीथिंग टू इट, एंड ऑन पैरेलल टू दैट इंजीनियर इज स्केलिंग अप. तो वो आप कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हो और वो डिलेमा से आप कैसे बाहर आते हो दैट भाई वो लाख रुपए कमा रहा है एंड स्टिल आई एम नॉट अर्निंग अ सिंगल पे.
Tell me your career trajectory. The boy in your example, he's 21, he's earning a lakh per month. How much? What, according to industry standards, what will he be earning at 24, at 28, and at 30 per month? What do you think?
If we go with around 15 to 20% increment ratio, he'll be earning around आज लाख रुपए कमा रहा है तो 2 लाख रुपए कमाएगा
At 24.
at 30, अगर हम 20% का गिने.
Okay, so like at 28, 24, what would he be earning?
1.5 something.
So 1.5. Okay. So I'll tell you this. MBBS में तो we don't earn. Okay, it's studying.
But you get
फिर-
stipend.
Yeah, in internship you get stipend, but again it's changing on different states. Somewhere you get
It's a lower
20.
amount, but
Yeah,
still it
yeah,
should
it's
not be
lower.
calculated.
There are
Yeah.
certain states which give 10 to 15,000 stipend.
Yeah,
So
fair
yeah.
enough.
Then you have PG, where you earn.
Before starting PG, post MBBS, like a medical officer or
Yeah.
as a GR, you get the
80
payable
to
scale
1 lakh.
75 to 1
Yes,
lakh.
you get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we get it.
Even in
So are there
government
people
jobs.
who just do MBBS that मेरे को इसके बाद स्पेशलाइजेशन नहीं करना है.
हाँ,
there are many
काफी
people.
लोग
तो उसमें
हैं.
स्केलेबिलिटी कितनी है?
How much you are driven to work.
But will you be distinguished as a doctor there? After MBBS, you give you a doctor degree, but not a specialized doctor. So what would that degree be named? That, for example, I am doctor in this field. That, for example, there's an oncologist. He or she has done a specialization in oncology. तो MBBS के बाद में क्या है मतलब?
General physician.
General
GP,
physician.
we say.
Okay.
That is a general physician. He does general practice like.
See, specialization increases the leverage. it's not about that it's useless, like doing just MBBS is useless or not. It's just about how much you are driven to do something. Like it's just the competitiveness that's increasing. That's why we do specialization. So सिर्फ MBBS किया है तो that's fine. I am good to know everything. And you know, सिर्फ MBBS doctors, like if we are, as I said about bond duty, तो वहाँ पे we are supposed to carry out certain things, like even you are supposed to do delivery. तो बेसिक वो हम लोग सीख लेते हैं कि मतलब कोई भी पेशेंट आ रहा है तो वो लाइफ थ्रेटन होके नहीं जाएगा. तो आई एम एबल टू मैनेज सर्टेन सिचुएशंस एंड देन डेफिनेटली वी जस्ट रेफर इट टू द स्पेशलाइज्ड.
मैंने मास्टर्स भी कर दिया और एक इंजीनियर ने भी मास्टर्स कर दिया है, और दोनों ने बहुत अच्छी गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से वो दोनों डिग्री ली है. सो अभी अगर हम स्केलेबिलिटी की बात करें, सो व्हाट्स द स्केल, व्हाट वुड बी अ specialized doctor earning in the compared of a specialized engineer who has also done a master's from a good college? So give me a math out of that.
Okay, so again, it is not that simple because there are many factors that affect this. One of it is will the doctor be doing his own hospital, or he'll be in a corporate job? Similar with the engineer, will he open his own company or he'll do a job in a company? So again, there is, like, if you open a hospital or the engineer opens a company, there will be initial investment, which would be, again, depending on the current prices in Ahmedabad, it would be it has skyrocketed in the last 10 years, at least tenfold, more than tenfold, since if you would do the same in 2015-16. So first of all, that is a factor. Then if you, like, flat compare, you cannot do, because the engineer would has a shorter degree. He'll have more experience as in working experience. Doctor would obviously have a working experience, but
Not as
he'd-
compared to as an engineer.
yeah, like, he'd be working while studying.
ओके सो आई विल ब्रेक इट डाउन. इन द मिड 30s जहाँ पे सबको दिखाई देता है कि इंजीनियर बहुत कमाते हैं, इज बिकॉज द मेजर लूप होल दैट वी हैव इज हम लोग ना साइड इनकम नहीं गिनते हैं. साइड इनकम यू गाइज वेरी वेल मैनेज कि हाँ ठीक है इन्वेस्ट कर लेते, ये कर लेते, वो कर लेते. डॉक्टर्स आर सपोज टू जस्ट रिलाई ऑन दिस वन इनकम. लाइक अभी तक ऐसा था कि they were not into investments and all, and now the doctors have started investing, and इसलिए then you see the bank account grow gradually. The again part comes कि you know after certain years there is a retirement age, but in our degree there is no retirement age. It's just reliance on your knowledge, right? So you could lifelong practice. um, and the threat towards AI, which is the new thing coming upon, I guess medical is one of the last branch that would get affected. बाकी सब कुछ मतलब कोडर को शायद से
कोडर को 100% अफेक्ट होगा, बट या दैट्स द थिंग, दैट जिसमें दिमाग दौड़ाना होगा और वो फिजिकल ऑपरेशंस करने
Human
Not
होंगे.
just
touch.
that, human touch, like
Human touch,
empathy.
yes,
A
yes.
robot cannot be empathetic.
Yeah.
It cannot understand your feelings. Like, हम दोनों सामने बैठे हैं, I can see your face, I can study your expressions. A robot cannot.
Cannot, yeah.
So
I'll just tell
that
you कि
is
ध्रुवेश डोंट वरी, तुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ है, सिर्फ इतना फीवर है, ट्रस्ट में तुझे हो जाएगा. हाउ विल यू फील? एंड ध्रुवेश don't worry, you will get good in 4 days. That's the thing.
Yeah, obviously. So that's the, see, everyone needs a human touch. That's the main fatigue, which, you know,
That's the back of the mind running कि ठीक है मेरे पास वो assurance है, लाइफ लॉन्ग assurance है कि हाँ इतना कुछ कर
in a
लेंगे.
worst case scenario, आप जाके डॉक्टर का गला पकड़ सकते हो, रोबोट का गला कैसे पकड़ोगे?
so अभी हम उस पे आते हैं दैट आपने 30 30 to 32 के बीच में आपने सब कुछ कंप्लीट कर दिया और मस्त एकदम यू हैव बिकम अ डॉक्टर एंड एवरीथिंग इज बीन, यू नो, द न्यू लाइफ विल स्टार्ट. सो उसके पहले अगर कोई प्राइवेट वाले ने पैसे इन्वेस्ट किए होंगे, जैसे MBBS में उसने मैनेजमेंट में ही ली, तो अगर 1 करोड़ रुपए हम गिनते हैं वो, उसके बाद PG में भी उसने मैनेजमेंट में ली, तो उसमें अप्रोक्स कितना होता है? 1.5 to 2. Let's go with the higher bound. तो उसने 3 करोड़ रुपए इन्वेस्ट किए टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर. सो व्हाट्स द ROI status? Give me that. Explain me
स्टार्टिंग में
that.
नहीं होता है. I agree to that point. The earning scale is very slow.
But again, it depends on the person's own skills.
But still,
But still, starting में it would
3
be
करोड़
slow.
रुपए का आरओआई कितना जल्दी
पण
आएगा?
3 करोड़ रुपए का आरओआई है, पर बंदे को तुम देखो, why you get a management quota? Most common reason is you got less marks in NEET. So if you don't know your basics, you get less marks in NEET. तो फिर वो कोई पेशेंट क्यों जाएगा? अभी तुम व्हेन यू गो टू अ डॉक्टर, यू सी कि उसको कितना आता है, क्या आता
बट आई डोंट फील एट दैट पॉइंट आई स्टडी दैट उसको नीट में कितने आए थे. मेरे को तो उसकी एक्सपर्टीज ही काम आएगी.
बट वर्ड ऑफ माउथ तो होगा ना.
मैंने तो आज ही स्टार्ट किया है. मेरा कल आई एम हैविंग अ फ्रेश डे.
Okay, but
Right.
first
मेरे
say
को
you
experience-
you
हाँ.
work under a experienced doctor.
Hmm.
You work in his team. You don't सीधा जाके पहले ही दिन you don't go into an OT and start operating on a patient. You work under an experienced doctor. So when you do that, तुम्हारे skills उनको पता चलती है. Your teammates who are with you under the doctor, he knows, they know कि तुमको कितना आता है, नहीं आता है. फिर when in future you start your own practice, suppose, and you don't go into corporate, तो those are the things which affect, and that is the reason कि अगर आपने 3 करोड़ भी खर्चा है, फिर भले ये लाइक पापा ने बहुत बड़ी हॉस्पिटल भी दे दी, बट आपको ही नहीं आ रहा करना, सर्जरी करना ही नहीं आता, आपको सूचर लेना ही नहीं आता, तो फिर क्यों आएगा कोई पेशेंट आपके पास?
On a like broader chunk, I'll say it's delayed gratification. It's not no written policy. तो हाँ थोड़ा स्लो आएगा. आई विल नॉट से कि हाँ जैसे कि 30 years पे यू विल सेटल डाउन विद अ गुड बंगलो एंड ऑल. तो डिलेड होगा पर अच्छा होगा. It's just that, you know, ultimately universal rule. It's not just about the doctors. You are capable. You are gonna do it anyhow. If not, तो basic मिलेगा, basic lifestyle. What we are expecting is luxury at the level of graduation, which is not possible. Basic तो निकल ही
बेसिक
जाता
तो
है.
निकल ही जाएगा. हाँ ऑब्वियसली इतने साल हमने वो किया है तो वो तो निकलना ही चाहिए. बट नाउ यू टेल मी, इफ आई एम डूइंग MBBS फ्रॉम इंडिया वर्सेस डूइंग MBBS फ्रॉम USA. सेकेंडली गिव मी अ प्रॉपर टर्म दैट वहाँ का MBBS को हम क्या बोलते हैं.
Okay, MBBS वहाँ पे is a very long process. It's a 7 year, more than 7 years.
7.5.
7.5 year process. हमारे यहाँ 5.5. Reason being, they have a 2 year pre-med after giving MCAT. MCAT is the medical common admission something, but
For
it's a medical.
US.
हाँ, for US. After you give 12th in US, after that, only if you've done 11th, 12th in US, then you give MCAT.
No, I've done 12th in India and I want to pursue MBBS.
You still need to do 12th in
12th.
US.
Okay.
Then you will have to give MCAT. Then you will do 2 years of a bachelor's degree, like BSc or anything, which they call pre-med. Then
Yeah.
they'll start your MBBS. Then you have to give one more exam.
So what's the comparison if we go that India में तो engineers 50% या 40% बाहर ही जाते हैं और एक 60% यहाँ पे होते हैं. If we compare in medical field, is that okay? इतना लंबा रेशियो है ही तो भी. तो 11
In
12th
after MBBS.
After MBBS ज्यादा है.
Before-
not
before MBBS.
Before
नहीं, तो
MBBS
बहुत
नहीं
कम
है.
है.
Because I told you, they have a longer process to become MBBS.
So 2 साल एक्स्ट्रा उसमें
हाँ,
invest
2
करना
साल फिर
पड़ता है.
MCAT देना पड़े, उसके बाद 12th भी फिर से करना पड़े. So it's more tedious and more lengthy process.
Okay.
So
MBBS के बाद जाते हैं.
people what do
And
they do?
MBBS के अगर बात जाते हैं तो उसमें it's the same duration 3 years.
Yeah,
Yeah,
3
3
years.
years.
And
3
what
years.
what examination which
USMLE.
USMLE.
For US, it's
USMLE.
USMLE.
MLE, United States Medical Licensing Exam. It's a 3-part exam. So part 1 is basic sciences. Part 2 is where you do specialized like medicine, surgery,
Clinical knowledge.
हाँ, clinical
more.
questions. Then part 3 is which you go there and give.
Integrated.
It's an integrated part. Similarly, in UK you have PLAB.
Lab.
In Australia you have AMC. Same with all countries have their own medical licensing exams. In fact, even if you do MBBS from India, or even if you do residency from India, if you want to go outside in any country, be it Estonia, UK, US, or Portugal, you will need to give their medical licensing. Depending on the country, the
Entrance
process,
exam varies.
entrance exam may be easier. Somewhere it may be harder. Like in US, UK, and Australia, they are pretty difficult exams. When you compare it to countries like UAE or New Zealand or somewhere like
Don't
that.
you feel in a geopolitical aspect that those people need good doctors. That's the reason they are not having that tough examination, right? UAE needs doctors, honestly speaking, because comparing engineers versus comparing doctors, it's not an easy go, right? और उसकी वैल्यू अभी भी है. So that's the thing, that जिस कंट्री को ज़्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है, that if I'll do engineering from Germany, मेरे को इजीली मिल जाएगा जर्मनी में, उतना मेरे को डिफिकल्ट नहीं पड़ेगा if I compare it with US, right? So उसमें if we go that which are the top 5 countries which are best in medicals apart from India, and if we rank India also.
Very unpopular opinion, India is the best.
Best.
India is the
Yes.
best.
India is the cheapest. It has the best
Availability.
availability.
Yeah.
Doctor availability is a very big headache in all the
UK
other
also,
countries.
yeah.
In
Everywhere.
UK is
You can't just run into a clinic and get an MRI. If you are suffering right now, even in the midnight, you could go and get an MRI.
But if I'm very serious, I'm in a life threatening scenario still.
Yeah,
still what
like see, in emergency they charge you so much. You are not getting charged even half the amount over here.
like I'll give you an example. There's a very famous show by the name The Pit. It's a very accurate description of how hospitals in America, especially the emergency department in America, works. So there was I was just watching it yesterday. There was this person who he came with DK. DK is diabetic ketoacidosis. It is an like that diabetes का complication है. So like it's a very long process to get healed from DK. if you
Sugar
get it.
बहुत बढ़ जाता है और
हाँ.
there are many more complications after it.
So even a person can die if DK is untreated. So there was this patient and uska like they were talking about exactly this thing कि कितना how much would it charge to be here and all. So he was saying it would be more than at least $100,000 for a 5 or 10 day ICU stay. Whereas in India, if you have Ayushman card, it's free for you.
और like you
Like-
will say कि इंश्योरेंस कवर कर लेगा, वहाँ पे नहीं करता है. 100% कवरेज कहीं पे भी नहीं है. कोई भी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी पूरे
हाँ.
वर्ल्ड की कोई नहीं देती. You are going to get it out of your pocket. So it's very
But still, I've listened to many such cases in around the globe that India is having the best thing. अगर मेरे को आज I suffered from the same scenario. I was traveling to Delhi the next day. I had podcast, right? And a day before, I got a sudden, a very strong pain in my belly, and it was for the appendix, right? I rushed to the MRI center that मेरे को कराना ही पड़ेगा. I did MRI तो नहीं करवाया मैंने. हाँ, सोनोग्राफी करवाई थी. And that was the thing. But ये same scenario अगर मैं बाहर कराऊंगा तो I don't think that it would be possible in the same case.
my parents were traveling to Nepal और वहाँ पे ना उनको मतलब my mom got very high fever. तो मतलब they were just searching for nearby hospital. एक तो hospital नहीं मिल रही थी कोई नजदीक में. And then सिर्फ फाइंड चढ़ाना था, उसमें भी कौन सा फाइंड चढ़ा was a question mark. Luckily their daughter was an MBBS and I would guide कि नहीं ये मत करवाना, ये ही करवाना. And they got right guidance. So even getting good guidance, getting right treatment at we have that golden hour thing, golden minute thing. तो उस ड्यूरेशन में मिल जाना and not just that वो आपको पूरा खाली कर दे, उतना ज्यादा नहीं है. तो
Correct. Yeah, I appreciate that. Indian medical is on the top. So I can 100% vouch for it. Right. So on to that, you give me a 5-claused scenario which you both had whilst first time filling a form for NEET. That मैंने expect नहीं किया था that भाई medical में ये भी करना पड़ता है, जैसे 36 hours की shift होती है. अरे यार. So what were that top 5 clauses which you thought that I didn't knew before I signed the form for NEET? So yeah, for you were not from the same, you're not having a medical background. Yeah.
तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. मतलब मैं बहुत ही ऑनेस्टली बता रही हूँ.
Are you vouching for MBBS? You need to be, 100% real, I feel.
I am very
Achha,
real. You
okay.
could call anyone from my family for
Okay,
this.
हाँ.
So मैं हमेशा फर्स्ट आ रही थी most of the time in school. 10th में भी मेरे 90+ % थे. तो I was like science लेना. Commerce I feel very scary because I feel it's very tough because of economics and all, and I'm just scared. तो I was like नहीं, मुझे science लेना है. और आर्ट्स जितनी इंटेलेक्चुअल मैं थी नहीं कि यू नीड टू बी वेरी मच
Precise.
या तो इट्स लाइक ठीक है साइंस लेना है तो अब ए ग्रुप या बी ग्रुप तो आई वाज जस्ट लाइक माय सिस्टर हु हैज ऑलरेडी डन केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग तो डैडी ने बोला ठीक है बी ग्रुप ले लो तुम आई वाज लाइक
अच्छा।
ओके कल जाके फीस भर देते हैं कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में आई जस्ट टुक इट फिर इट हैव फिर यू नो लाइक इन माय हाउस वी वर जस्ट शोन द गोल कि तुझे ये करना है और फिर मेहनत हम करने लगते थे इतनी अवेयरनेस नहीं थी कि नहीं इतना कुछ सोचना पड़ता है लकीली इट फेल आउट गुड ऑन माय पार्ट एंड आई एम एक्चुअली एंजॉयिंग इट लाइक इफ समवन आस्क्स इफ नॉट मेडिकल तो क्या कर रही हो तो आई गेट इनटू अ थॉट आफ्टर दैट शायद से मैं क्या ही कर रही हूँ या ऑन टू द पार्ट कि मुझे क्या नहीं पता था that I needed to be strong enough to pursue this journey. I needed to be patient enough. I needed to be calm enough. और yeah, work life balance नहीं रहेगा for certain years, definitely. There are many things I missed. So many of my closed ones marriages, या फिर get-togethers, and I'm a very social person. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Like almost weekly 2-3 तो मेरे होते ही है socials तो मैंने बहुत सारा like during my preparations I used to sleep on the sofa so that I do not get comfortable sleeping longer hours. I guess बहुत सारे लोगों ने
I
ऐसा
did
किया
too.
होगा.
Same.
So when so Shlok's been a very good friend of mine since around 16 or 17 years. When I was in senior KG or first standard, we met and we've been traveling to different countries also, right? So I've seen Shlok, right? In 10th, so he was a topper guy. I was studying, and I was the exactly opposite of that, right? Right? I was the exactly opposite for that. I was getting marks right. मैं पास हो जाता था. कभी कभी नहीं भी होता था, राइट? सो वो चीज़ मैंने इसमें भी देखी है दैट व्हेन वी आर प्लानिंग दैट हम लोग मिलके कुछ करते बट ही वाज स्टिल इन दैट थॉट दैट मेरी एग्जाम्स आने वाली है और मैं उसको हर बार वही बोलता था भाई तेरी एग्जाम्स खत्म ही नहीं होती एंड आज मेरे को पता चला ये बुक देख के भाई कैसे एग्जाम खत्म होगी जब आती है तब इतना बड़ा यू हैव टू इट्स अ टफ थिंग, राइट? सो वो तो है ही बट मेरा मेन क्वेश्चन वही है दैट अभी मैंने बहुत सारी जगह पे एक सिनारियो देखा है दैट पीपल आर करंटली बीइंग वेरी वोलेटाइल अराउंड द डॉक्टर्स. फर्स्ट आप उसको जज नहीं कर पाते दैट आज मैं मेरे दादाजी को लेके आपके पास आया आई एम अ वेरी नाइस गाय टू यू दैट्स डॉक्टर इनको ऐसा है आप ये करो बट अचानक से वो डायबिटीज में भी आपने कैसे कॉम्प्लिकेशन बोला वो कॉम्प्लिकेशन आ गया हमने आइडेंटिफाई भी कर दिया बट हमने कुछ टाइम मिस कर दिया एंड ही डाइड देन द सेम गाय who was very sweet to you becomes very 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 violent and they start beating you and there are cases where patients are being very I don't want to brag that but they are beating doctors. So does MBBS teach you how to manage patients or not?
Teaches you karate करना पड़ेगा. No, just kidding.
Yeah.
No book could teach you, no educational video classes could teach you this part. मैंने इंटर्नशिप की थी मेरे पास ऐसा हुआ है सो लाइक इन इंटर्नशिप वी वर इन कैजुअलिटी और एक बहुत ही मतलब वो बंदा आया था हिज आईज वर लिटरली रेड इन एंगर ऐसे हो जाता है तो आई नीड टू जस्ट क्लीन हिज वुंड एंड स्यूचर इट. अब क्लीनिंग में थोड़ा दर्द हो मतलब नेटवर्क दबा रही हूँ मैं आपके वुंड पे तो दर्द तो होने वाला था जब ही जस्ट हिट द बॉल I swear the tube light was just about to fall. He hit it very, very hard. और ये मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को बोला ये कहानी. And I stepped back for 2 minutes and then I was like, ठीक है, I managed the situation somehow. It might not get managed later. तो I know this is not going to be taught. But मुझे पता चल गया कि ऐसा करना है. That instinct teaches you. But ये डॉक्टर की पार्ट की गलती नहीं है. Now, this is a question to the administration, to the security staff that you should ask it. How will you manage it?
Everyone has their roles fixed, right? A doctor's role is to treat, to manage such mishaps, such scenarios. It's the role of administration or the security, I'll say. हाँ, that does not mean कि डॉक्टर कुछ भी बोल दे, कुछ भी कर ले. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, I agree. So they need to be decent on that part. और बाकी का फिर किसी को तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी पड़ेगी ना, सब लोग तो सब कुछ तो कोई
But still, on this podcast, do you think that you prefer a new point to all the MBBS students, or to someone who is planning a curriculum for MBBS, that you should include a management skill or how to handle a patient? Apart from that, you can also include a whole thing that how can you defend yourselves, because at this point in the toxicity or when a generation is changing, the anger level is never gonna depreciate, it's always gonna appreciate in that. So I feel every individual from this degree should have a skill at either वो मर गया है तो भी आप उनको कैसे इन्फॉर्म करो
एग्जैक्ट
that he is dead, and at that scenario how can you handle a patient. क्योंकि कोविड के टाइम पे बहुत सारे बाहर हॉस्पिटल्स के भी बहुत सारे वैसे केसेस के
ताली भी बजाई थी और डॉक्टरों को भी
right, so that's the thing which I should feel that ये होना चाहिए.
yeah, so they should definitely teach conversation skills, I'll say. हाँ, कि ऐसे मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. सिचुएशन हैंडलिंग इज एन आर्ट.
Yes.
तो और वो एक
सीख जाते हैं धीरे धीरे. When you interact with the patient, you know how should I talk to this guy, how should I talk to this guy. The
Experience teaches you.
experience is the
not
best
an- it's
teacher.
an instinct in you, you know. A very simple example कि कोई फर्स्ट ईयर MBBS स्टूडेंट भी होगा ना, और जैसे रोड पे कुछ हो गया है और किसी की ज़रूरत है वॉलंटियरिंग के लिए, तो बेचारे को कोई क्लिनिकल नॉलेज नहीं होगी, बट स्टिल ही विल वॉलंटियर टू डू दैट पार्ट बिकॉज वो अंदर की ड्राइव होती है. वो दैट्स अ थिंग आई कांट नेम इट, आई गेस.
So I had the same feeling when I was young, when I was traveling through the roads. अगर मैं डॉक्टर की गाड़ी देखता था, मैं अगर कुछ हो गया तो ये तो है right. And yeah, वो कर I mean that's the thing that वो तो होता ही है that he should do it, right. So on to that, we had a very insightful and a fabulous conversation and a very real thing. It was a very real from your end also. And I didn't thought it that ये flow हम कैसे इतना perfectly कर दिया. I mean ऐसा perfect flow हमारे इनसे हो गया. And anyone who's been viewing our video or any viewer who is trying to that वो confuse हो रहा है that either मैं MBBS लूँ या ना लूँ, तो उसके लिए एक perfect case study हो जाएगी from the doctors only that ये लोग ने किया है तो भाई तू भी कर देगा, right. So my final question to you is that अगर आप डॉक्टर नहीं होते तो क्या होते. मैंने वही फ्रेम किया when she told that अगर वो डॉक्टर नहीं होती तो I don't know. So that was the thing which I also wanted to ask you.
Okay, if I was not a doctor, I was almost planning to go into MBA finance, like, or maybe a quantum physicist.
Okay.
So yeah, all the three are different
Verticals.
verticals and at the extremities on themselves. So yeah, that was what I was
But he's good in finance, I feel. What about you?
That's a question. Maybe a detective because
Detective.
मतलब मेरे को इंस्टेंटली मुझे ये पता करना ही है whether it's through being a doctor like या फिर ऐसे.
You wanted to be a detective. I feel वो भी
He gets the best tea.
Okay. So yeah, once again, thank you so much for coming on my show. And it
So much
was
for inviting
one of the best conversation which I ever had. And the insights were very real, right? So yeah, once again, thank you so much. And to all my viewers who are watching this, ये conversation हमने बहुत ही deep perspective से सोची थी. So if you are also intellectual और आपको लग रहा है that ये सब चीज़ें आपको काम आएगी, if you are a parent or a student who's watching this, then I hope make some notes, because this will help you to mark or scope your next 10 to 15 years if you're going into medical field. So once again, thank you so much for watching.